So in less than like 4 minutes, I found like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts that I can drop ship for my products. So I can test all these out on my store, and even if I don't test all of them out, I can just put them up on my store and maybe even upsell it with my main product. Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I have a really important video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the #1 product research method for Shopify and how you can find products to dropship and make a lot of money off of them. And this is the product research that all the Shopify, not all actually, but most, and this is the product research they teach you in the courses. So I want to share it with you guys and show you guys how exactly you can find Shopify products, and this is how exactly other people do it too. So without further ado, let's jump right in. And my next video is actually going to be about how I found a product in less than 4 minutes, which is pretty crazy. As soon as I started doing this, I actually found a product, and I'm going to be showing you guys that product in the next video. But anyways, let's jump right into it. So it's really simple. You actually don't go to Instagram or AliExpress to do your product research. All you have to do is come to Facebook, and then once you come to Facebook, you come to the search bar, and then over here there are like certain keywords that you have to use. So choose your niche. So let's say you want to research about tropical stuff, you can search that up. If you want to go into the cat niche, you can search that up, or like dog niche, whatever, and then put a product there. So it could be a cat t-shirt, cat I don't even know, cat headphones that I was looking at right now, or cat merch, or cat jewelry, or whatever it is. Just search that up, or actually cat necklace. So you guys get the point. Just put the main products you want to drop ship, like, and then after that all you have to do is put free shipping. So I know you guys are probably thinking maybe you should put free plus shipping, but free shipping is better because free plus shipping just doesn't work. So just put free shipping and it's going to show you those products. And you could also put like 50% off, or like 75% off, or 75 off, or 50 off, just the main keywords that dropshippers use. Then once you're done with that, you just search it up. Then from here you go to photos, or like post, but we're gonna go to photos, and then you can just press 2018. Then you go to see all public photos. Sometimes this doesn't come up, I don't know what it is, some weird glitch, and you can do any date. Okay, that's fine. Now from here you can see all of the products, and what you're basically looking for is higher engagement posts. So obviously this post, that's not anything useful, it just shows that no one's interested. This one's really high, so we're just gonna open it up. This one has 1.3k. Every niche has a different criteria, so if it's really saturated, it might have like 10,000 likes or whatever, and some niche have like 500 whatever. So you really have to do your research, see what's popular comparatively. So this one seems okay, we'll just look at it. Keep going. 624, that's pretty good. 1.5k, but doesn't have any cat t-shirts. So 722, 10k. As you guys can see, we can find a lot of products just from this. It only took me 2 minutes, and we're already looking at potential products that we can drop ship. And this one's 24k, but it's Halloween. 2.4k. So in less than like 4 minutes, I found like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts that I can drop ship for my products. So I can test all these out on my store, and even if I don't test all of them out, I can just put them up on my store and maybe even upsell it with my main product. Then all you have to do from there is wait for it to load. Then from here you can see cat hair, don't care, t-shirt, this is you. So just look at the number of shares, look at the likes, make sure people are tagging and it's not just one word, because you don't want bots. So high engagement means they're probably advertising it, and when you're advertising it for so long that you get like 600 likes, then that means you're obviously making money from it. That's why you're advertising. You won't be advertising a product if you're not making any money from it. So this is a good product. Look at this one. This one has 420 shares. I love it. And then you have like people tagging their friends. Are these kids? People asking questions. And then you can free shipping. Choose from 21 different 3D cats. Okay, so this is a really good product. So this is another one that this doesn't have a lot of likes, but it's still a good product that you can put up on your store and maybe do it for Christmas or whatever. Look at some other product. I want to go to the one that had 10,000 likes. Okay, so this one's really good. It has 800 likes and has a lot of comments, 197 shares, 78 comments. So this is pretty good. Once you find these products, you can go to AliExpress. This one's also a good amount of engagement, 2.9k, 897 shares. And so from here you can cross-reference your product and see if it's trending. And I've actually made a video about how to check if a product is trending on AliExpress, so you guys can do that. And in order to look for the shirt, we're just gonna search up cat t-shirt. From there we can go to orders. Right away we saw this product on Facebook. You guys can see all those products. Okay, so over here, that's the t-shirt we were looking at that had 197 shares, 865 likes. This is also the shirt that I found before. And as you guys can see, 568 orders. And over here you can also see the other shirts that they're promoting, like this one. I saw this shirt too before on Facebook, but I can't find it right now. But anyways, from there you can basically import it to Shopify and then start selling it. You can also look at the product, see if it's trending. I've made a detailed video about how to check it. And yeah guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that when you're trying to research for the product, sometimes it doesn't show the main manufacturer. For example, when I searched up cat t-shirts, it showed me this one and that's what I went with. But there's probably some other supplier out there which has like 10,000 orders or 8,000 orders selling the exact same thing, but it's not coming up over here, and it's usually with another keyword, so try to look for it. But if you can't find it, then use this supplier, and just know that there are probably a lot more orders than 500, because as you guys saw, that guy was drop shipping a lot of these t-shirts found over here. So there's probably a lot more orders than 568, and that's not the supplier he's using. So try to look for it, but if you can't, then just know that he's probably making a lot of sales, so you can just use this supplier and still dropship. So once you look at the product, see if it's trending or not, and look at the orders, you can look at the ad copy, see what your competitors are doing, and you can make something around it. You can look at the ad, and I could probably make a lot better ad. So you guys, here's the potential here. You can make it more appealing. Maybe someone's wearing the t-shirt, or put like some text, free shipping, and not have this ugly green and blue background. But whatever, it works for them. They're making a lot of money from this, as you guys can see. And I also noticed that a lot of these shirts are from the same drop shippers, so they're drop shipping a lot of t-shirts. So you guys can go to their page and see what's up, see what their description is and how they're advertising it, because they're making a lot of money, so you guys can learn from them. So this is a really good way to find products. It took me less than 10 minutes to find this one, and actually found really good products in less than 4 minutes that I'm gonna make a video about, like I said, in the next few days. So stick around for that. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's how most Shopify sellers find their product, and this is really effective. There are also other product research techniques that you can use to find the product. In my opinion, this is one of the best, but I'll also make another video on how to do other types of product research, and they're pretty effective too. So yeah guys, leave a like if you found value from it, and comment down below if you guys are going to try this product research method, and let me know how it goes. Subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications, because I'm going to be uploading every other day, and you guys want to stick around for more product research techniques that I'm going to be showing, and also the product that I found in less than 4 minutes. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm out. Peace.